Hey there, IG Garage family. So is your check engine light on with the P0163 code? That basically means your bank 2, sensor 3 oxygen sensor is reporting a high voltage issue. Ignoring this can, well, lead to incorrect fuel adjustments, poor performance, and even increased emissions. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0163 means, where to find the affected sensor, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around because catching this issue early can definitely save you money and keep your engine running smoothly. The P0163 trouble code indicates that the downstream oxygen sensor, bank 2 sensor 3, is sending a consistently high voltage signal to the ECU. This sensor monitors the efficiency of the catalytic converter and helps fine-tune your fuel mixture. Now, a high voltage reading means the sensor is detecting a rich fuel condition or maybe experiencing electrical faults. So, what are the symptoms of P0163? Well, you might see the check engine light come on, notice poor fuel efficiency, deal with a rough idle or hesitation, and even have increased emissions, which could cause you to fail a smog test. Some common causes include, first, a faulty oxygen sensor. A malfunctioning sensor can send incorrect voltage readings. Second, wiring issues like short circuits, corrosion, or loose connections can cause a high voltage reading. Third, a rich fuel mixture, a problem in the fuel system like a bad fuel injector can cause excessive fuel delivery. And finally, catalytic converter issues, a clogged or failing converter can definitely affect sensor readings. So, bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. Sensor 3 is located even farther down the exhaust system, typically after the second catalytic converter. You'll find it attached to the exhaust pipe, usually underneath the vehicle. This sensor connects to the ECU through a wiring harness, which must be inspected for damage. A shorted wire or bad ground can lead to a high voltage reading. First, check for damaged, corroded, or disconnected wires. Repair or replace damaged wiring as needed. Next, test the oxygen sensor with a multimeter. Set your multimeter to measure voltage. With the engine running, the sensor should fluctuate between 0.1 and 0.9 volts. If the voltage is constantly high, above 0.9 volts, the sensor may be faulty. Then, check for a rich fuel condition. Inspect fuel injectors and the fuel pressure regulator for leaks or failures. Repair any fuel system issues causing excessive fuel delivery. If the sensor fails testing, replace it with an OEM or high-quality aftermarket part. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear the P0163 code. Finally, drive for a few miles to ensure the check engine light doesn't return. That's how you fix P0163 and keep your car running efficiently. Fixing this issue will improve fuel economy and prevent further engine problems. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car repair tips from IG Garage. Also, check out these related videos: P0079, exhaust valve control, solenoid circuit, bank 1, and P0080, exhaust valve control, solenoid circuit high, bank 1. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.